Viswam walks half a mile to school each day. His route is 10 equal-length city blocks. And he walks 1 minute per block. So 10 minutes in all. Today, after walking 5 blocks, he must take a detour, walking 3 blocks of the same length instead of 1 block to reach the next corner. From the moment he starts the detour, at what speed, in miles per hour, must he walk to still arrive at school at his usual time? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. First, how long is 1 block? The whole trip is 1/2 mile over 10 blocks. So each block is 1/2 divided by 10, which is 0.05 mile. He walks 1 block per minute. He walks the first 5 blocks normally, using 5 minutes. Since the whole trip should take 10 minutes, he has 5 minutes left when the detour begins. Now the detour, instead of 1 block, he walks 3 blocks to reach the next corner. After that, blocks 7 through 10 are 4 more blocks. So from the detour he covers 3 plus 4, which is 7 blocks. That is 7 times 0.05, or 0.35 mile. He must cover 0.35 mile in 5 minutes. 5 minutes is 1/12 of an hour. Speed equals distance divided by time. 0.35 divided by 1/12 is 0.35 times 12, which equals 4.2 miles per hour. That is answer choice B.